This is a topic that we are going to discuss, that is development of mobile technology based on Java. This will be the topics that we will cover in this presentation. Here only half of our scope is mentioned. First one is mobile phone history. Second one is mobile phone generations, that can be divided into 3 generations. That is first generation, second generation and third generation. Next one is technology limitations for mobile phones. Next one is introduction of Java language to mobile phone technology. History of Java language, how Java relates to mobile technology, and the final topic is mobile phone applications implemented in Java. In this slide we are going to talk about the mobile phone history. Earlier there were no mobile phones, but the concept was there. They have used two-way radios in taxicabs, police cruisers, ambulance, etc. In this, the users were not able to dial the number and take a call. The users were known as mobilers. Earlier, the phone could not carry by hand, instead they were installed in vehicles. But the next version, which uses cigarette lighter, plug able to carry. The phone was called the bag phones. The first fully automatic phone system, that is MTA, was developed by the Ericssons in 1956. The phone weighted about 40 kilograms because of the equipment used in the manufacture of the phone. The next version was weighted about 9 kilograms because of the use of transistors. This phone used DTMF signaling. Then hexagonal cells were used. The picture shows the cell tower they have used, which is able to transmit, receive in 3 directions. Even though the mobile technology was undeveloped until electronics were developed in 19. In this slide we are going to talk about the first generation of mobile phones. Mobile phones began to improve with cellular phones based on cellular networks. Cellular network is a network made up of a number of radio cells, each served by a fixed transmitter. The transmission used analog signaling. Then let's move to the next slide and we'll see the second generation of mobile phones. The second generation is started in 1990. The feature used in second generation mobile phones is GSM, that is Global System for Mobile Communication. The new releases of GSM are GPRS, that is General Packet Radio Service, which is released in 1997, and EDEG, Enhanced Data Rate for GSM Evolution. The frequency used in this time was 900 MHz range. In the second generation, the size of the mobile phone is reduced to weight about 100 to 200 grams. This was possible through the technology improvements as advanced batteries and more energy efficient electronics. The new feature in the second generation is SMS, that is Short Message System. All the second generation phones introduced the feature to download ringtones, that is introduced by Finland, and there were many other features that were not there in the first generation. In this slide we are going to talk about the third generation of mobile phones. The meaning of 3G has been standardized in the IMT 2000 standardization processing. There are 2 rates, that is indoor and outdoor. Indoor maximum data rate is 2 megabits per second. Outdoor maximum data rate is 384 kilobits per second. The first commercial 3G network launched in October in year 2001. Technology used in third generation was WCDMA. Likewise, there are so many technologies embedded in new mobile phones to satisfy mobile phone users. In this picture, you can see phones with different sizes. That is how the evolution of mobile phones happened with time. In this slide, we are going to talk about the technology limitations for mobile phone development. First one is battery power. In mobile phones, there is limited power since a battery is used. Therefore, for every performance of the mobile, we have to consider about the power the battery can supply. Second one is size of interfaces. The phone display is limited. When creating applications, the size of the interfaces used plays a major role because the content must be visible and appropriate. Next one is operating systems. Operating system must be appropriate to using technologies and user-friendly. And the other one is signaling methods and network coverage. For the further developments of mobile technology, Java language had a major contribution. From this slide onwards, we will look at the contribution of Java language components. As a start, let's talk about the Java history. Java language was originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems and released in 1995. Derives the much of C and C++ syntaxes. The main feature in Java, it is platform independent. That is, Java applications can compile to bytecode and that can run on any JVM regardless of the computer architecture. Versions of J2 are J2EE, that is targeted enterprises applications. Next one is J2ME. It is applied for mobile applications. In this slide, let's see how Java related to mobile technology. Over the time, the Java ME platform has been divided into two basic configurations. One is to fit small mobile devices and the other one to be targeted towards more capable mobile devices like smartphones and set-top boxes. The configuration targeting resources constrained devices like mobile phones is called Connected Limited Device Configuration, that is CLDC. Specially designed to meet the needs for a Java platform to run on devices with limited memory, processing power and graphical capabilities. Widely adopted example is to combine the CLDC with mobile information device provide a complete Java application environment. Do you know why we use Java in many mobile applications? Let's see it in this slide. Java helps to create highly advanced and powerful applications, and Java Micro Edition, that is J2ME, in mobile phones provide enhanced security to users. And also Java programs can be run on any platform. In this slide, you can see some examples for mobile phone applications implemented in Java, that is games, web clipping, chatting systems and many more. And these applications will be discussed in detail at the final presentation. On the right hand side of the slide, there is a video clip which we have recorded while playing a mobile game on Nokia's N70 phone. You can click on it and watch it. These are the references which we have referred. And this is our team for PLDC. This is the end of our first part of the presentation, and special thanks goes to our lecturer in charge, Mr. Lakmar Rupasinghe, and our team members for their contribution in making this presentation a success. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you.